Looks like they couldn't stand the backlash of the truth. And then they want to return backlash on the person telling the truth, which is, it was said by the CDC. I mean, obesity is linked to these, the COVID deaths. That's it. It's linked to the COVID deaths. And people don't want to hear that. It's the truth. Sweet Green CEO's linked in post connecting COVID deaths to obesity draws backlash. Oh boy. Sweet Green co-founder and CEO Jonathan Newman wrote a LinkedIn post Tuesday connecting obesity to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, saying no vaccine nor mask will save us, and proposing taxes on processed food and refined sugar. The post was deleted Wednesday, several hours after Vice published a story about it. Even before Vice's article, commenters on Newman's original post were calling his argument fat-phobic. Oh. Oh, God. Life and death, and you worrying about, woke culture. Sweet Green confidently filed an initial public offering in June, making this an inopportune time for controversy surrounding the company. Consumer backlash could hurt both its reputation and sales, turning off investors. Newman's commentary comes as the U.S. battles another wave of COVID-19 cases, leading some localities to impose vaccination or mask requirements. As of August 31st, the 7-day average of daily new U.S. cases have reached 160,455, up 6% from a week ago, according to the CNBC analysis of Johns Hopkins University data. Health officials have pointed to the highly contagious Delta variant as the culprit, particularly in regions with low vaccine rates. 78% of hospitalizations due to COVID are obese and overweight people, Newman wrote in the post. Is there an underlying problem that perhaps we are not giving enough attention to? Oh man, you really hit the nail on the head, man. And you're making people, triggered. I mean, what are you gonna say? I had COVID, right? And I had to work out. I had to eat healthy. I had to, go get antibiotics. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, it's the truth. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has listed having a body mass within the overweight or obesity range as one of the factors that can make someone more likely to get severely ill from COVID-19. However, some medical experts, researchers, and dietitians say that the BMI is a flawed health metric because it doesn't account for body fat distribution or accurately predict the health of different races and demographics. Newman's statistic likely comes from an article published in March in the CDC's Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. In his LinkedIn post, Newman also said that COVID is here to stay for the foreseeable future, and the best bet is to focus on overall health instead of just preventing infection. Prevention is worth a pound of cure. I don't know what to say. The man's on the money. Could he? Are we going to kill him for telling the truth? Are we going to kill him for telling the truth? Now, I'm sorry. COVID's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. We cannot run away from it, and no vaccine nor mask will save us. In full disclosure, I am vaccinated and support others to get vaccinated, Newman wrote. He also called mask and vaccine mandates government overreach and proposed implementing health mandates. What if we made the food that is making us sick illegal? What if we tax processed food and refined sugar to pay for the impact of the pandemic? He added, taxes on processed food and refined sugar would likely hit low-income consumers the hardest. A sweet green salad, which starts at $9.95, could be out of their budget range. Here's the thing. Okay. A lot of these people who are low income stayed low income for a very long time. Sorry. It's not all people, but most people who are low income. In response to the commenter calling the post fat-phobic, Newman said that was not his intention. He wrote that the post was meant to start a conversation about how we should think about health differently and attack the root causes. Unfortunately, can't do this in this cancel culture that cancels everything for just because it makes you feel bad, just because it triggers your feelings. Cancel somebody. No legitimate reason to cancel somebody. Just cancel them because they make you feel uncomfortable. Not harassing you, nothing. Just for the fact you don't like what they said. Never mind, it could be the truth. Never mind, it could lead to something that could be groundbreaking, that could help, that could be better for all of us. It's just because it hurt your feelings. A representative of the Sweet Green did not immediately respond to a request for a comment from CNBC. People have to understand this is, seriously a life or death situation here. And I seriously don't give a damn about feelings. I care about facts and what could help me in this pandemic. Okay? And people need to, this fat shaming, you're fat shaming. No, it's the truth. Obesity is linked to these COVID deaths. What do you want to say? Well, come on now. And this is CNBC, so come on. But a lot of people just hate exercise. That's it. They don't hate exercise. It hurts. Exercise hurts. The discipline to do it every day hurts. But do you want to live? That is the question. Do you want to live? All right, that's all I got to say for now. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Later.